ready to supercharge your Retell AI agent and turn it into a true knowledge powerhouse. Let's dive into how to easily link your knowledge base for smarter, more informed AI interactions. First, head to the Retell AI dashboard and select the Agents section. This is where you'll manage and customize your AI assistants. Now, choose the specific AI agent you want to enhance within the Agents settings. Look for the Knowledge Base option. This is where the magic happens. You'll typically find options here to connect various knowledge base formats. Think PDF documents, text files, or even an integrated knowledge system. Select your preferred method for importing your data. Next, upload your knowledge base content. The platform will likely begin processing your files, extracting and structuring your information. This might take a few minutes, depending on the size of your knowledge base. Once the upload and processing are complete, you should see confirmation that your knowledge base is successfully linked. The agent now has access to the information you provided. That's it. Now test the agent by asking questions related to the information in your knowledge base. You'll see how the AI agent can utilize this information to provide accurate and comprehensive responses. It helps them to have better quality of response and answers that are more specific for what the agent needs. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated your knowledge base. For more tips, tricks, and resources, visit the Retell AI website, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more AI insights.